Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Learners Club YouTube channel. Let's learn pronunciation. अब तक हम 40 वर्ड्स की pronunciation सीख चुके हैं. आज हम फिर 10 new words की pronunciation सीखेंगे. 10 more words you might pronounce incorrectly. Let's see. First we recapitulate the last 10 words. They were the last 10 words: people, pamphlet, colonel, lieutenant, Wednesday, handsome, aunt, etc. Waistcoat, cupboard. The number one, carat. Say this word, carat. R is not pronounced and this O gives the sound of a. Carat. Say this word, carat. Number two, parrot. Don't say parrot, it's wrong. Second R is not pronounced and O gives the sound of a. Parrot. Say this word, parrot. Number three, potato. Don't say potato, it's wrong. Potato. Potato. Number four, pattern. Pattern. Second T is not pronounced and R is silent. We don't pronounce R. Pattern. Say this word, pattern. Number five, palm. Palm. Yes, L is silent in this word. Palm. Number six, pilgrim. Pilgrim. Say this word, pilgrim. Number seven, fanatics. Fanatics. It's the study of a speech sound. इंग्लिश के अंदर जो साउंड्स का इल्म है, नॉलेज है, उसको हम फनाटिक्स कहते हैं. ये आपकी आसानी के लिए नीचे लिखा गया है, इससे आप हेल्प ले सकते हैं. fanatics. Fanatics. Say this word, fanatics. People say this word phonetics. Wrong. Phonetics. Wrong. Fanatics. Number 8, pleasant. Say this word, pleasant. This S gives the sound Z. Pleasant. Pleasant. Number 9, parcel. Yes, R is silent. We don't pronounce R. Parcel. Say this word, parcel. Number 10, the last but not least, adjective. Yes, don't say adjective, it's wrong. D is silent in this word. Adjective. Say this word, adjective. Thanks for watching this video. Next video में 10 more words के साथ दोबारा मिलेंगे. जब तक के लिए अस्सलामु अलैकुम. Subscribe the channel, The Learners Club.